this is giving Cruella. This is like, alright, what is up, y'all? Ignore my craziness. I was just filming TikTok and was like, I might as well should record a YouTube video too. So that is how we've come to this. So I'm like trying to figure out where I could put y'all, because my like stuff is set up right now for TikTok, but I'm like, why not bring y'all to the journey? So this is what we're doing. Oh, I didn't even fully do my intro. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Malia, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because we are lit over here. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? Hey, y'all. All right, now that that's out the way, because I haven't like done like a proper intro in a minute, because I've been like just not talking in videos. But somebody said that in the comments that y'all like when I talk, so here I am. Here's my voice. I'm talking. So yeah, oh, what I was about to show y'all, I got these like synthetic little clip-ins from Amazon, and I want to see what they look like in my hair, because they have color. I'm like, that's interesting. So right now, these are actually kind of curled a little bit, so I'm trying to like curl my natural hair a little bit so it blends a little better. So that's just what I'm doing. But let's see. Update, what's been happening in my life. What has been happening in my life? Nothing really. Just school per usual. Boring. Oh, that's messed up. Okay, yeah, nothing. What the freak? I keep dropping these dang on clip-ins. And like they're not synthetic. Like they not gonna tangle up. I can just keep dropping them. Life. First day of field placement was yesterday, which was Valentine's Day. That was great. Love it. Know all the kids' names already, which I love that for me, because names are not my strong suit. Let's just hope I remember their names when I go back next week. But right now, I have the names on lock. So, alright, these is just being difficult. Where'd that other piece go? That's suspicious. I done lost the whole clip in, y'all. I just almost fell out the chair. Okay. I keep saying okay, I'm sorry. Is this 4 right here? Oh, there it is. Okay, I found it. And I just said okay again. Dang me. Okay. So I tried to like prop myself, like put a little pillow on the chair, because I'm short. And it's not really working, so that's nice. But first day of field placement was yesterday, which was really nice. It was really long. Like their classes, like they don't have specials till the end of the day. So their classes versus like, you know, you be in class and it get interrupted by specials and like you're happy and stuff. No, their specials is like at the end of the day. So their classes are like 2 hours long. When I tell y'all, I was trying so hard not to fall asleep in one of the classes. I don't understand how some kids do it. I don't get it. The problem is after COVID, like a lot of schools do a lot of computer online learning, which is really annoying, because that was not me as a kid. I would not survive in this generation of kids, because I cannot stare at a computer all day. Like I will get so bored. I'm a hands-on. When I was a child, I was like a very hands-on, crafty person. Like always in dirt, always doing something. Like how I learned how to do schoolwork was with real life examples and like hands-on. So it's just different. It's very different. And like I know most of the teachers gotta be bored, because I was bored just sitting there. Because it's like they're literally on their computer. So it's like there's nothing you can do. So that was that. But the school is nice. I like the principal. I like my host teacher. She's chill. I like the kids. Yeah, I like all of that. Now college. How is college going? So I finally have stopped telling people that I'm just a junior, because I graduate in December. So technically I'm a junior, but technically I'm not. So with my friend from my cohort, she's been telling people that she's just a senior. And I'm like, that's so much easier than explaining to them like, yeah, I'm a junior, but I finished a semester early. So I graduate this December. Yeah, it's just very confusing. So I'm gonna just start telling people I'm a senior. So yeah. That's pretty much all that's happening in my life. Besides this one piece is like gonna stress me out. Where'd you go? There you go. Besides all of that stuff, nothing really, just schoolwork. Sorry for not. My goal was to like post every Tuesday and every Thursday, but it's really hard with school. Like it is really hard because I have a lot of stuff to do. This is like my final block before student teaching. So it's like, here's the problem with education major. I'm just getting into it. So people always assume that education majors like have it easy because all we do is, rainbows and ponies every day. No, but education majors, even though we don't have like a lot of exams and quizzes, we have these things called projects and 5-page papers. Yes, I'd rather take a quiz, an open note, because y'all know most of y'all quiz exams be open note. Don't be trying to play. And if they not, y'all be using them notes. So, yeah. So most of our like assignments are project based, or they're exams. So it's very time consuming and it's a lot to do. So it's not like we could just dedicate 2 hours to sit down and take a test. Like, no. A 5-page paper take at least, well, don't be like me, because I used to be very anxious and like super on top of things and overly obsessed with my grades and da. But now that I'm at the finish line, I don't care. Like, it will be done when it gets done. And that's just how it's gonna be. It's just gonna be that way. So I could write like a 4-page paper in a day. Should I? No. Do I? Yes. Because why not? What else? Since I'm taking 6 classes this semester. Why? Because I'm stupid. And an overachiever, so that's nice. But it's not as hard as I thought it would be. One of them is a sprint course, so that actually finishes next month. But his class is kind of getting annoying because he gave me a 4 out of 5. A 4 out of 5 the other day. What was the point of taking off my point? Please explain. Please explain to me why you thought it was okay to take off 1 point. And then he don't even give like feedback. Like, I'm used to, like, if I get a point off of something, like feedback, like, you know, type out exactly what I did wrong. Like, you couldn't even do that. So what did I do? Please explain to me. What did I do? Because I don't know. I thought we was cool. I thought I was okay. I thought we was rocking. But no. You gave me a 4 out of 5. It's crazy. Alright, so now that my hair is curled, I'm gonna just separate it like this. And this is like, these hair pieces are like black and red, which I've never had. I did last year, no, the year before last year. I did have my hair, like, get my tips dyed, but that's the most color I have ever had in my hair. So, is this the best way to do this? No. But am I going to do it this way? Yes. That's the fourth one. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this 3-clip, unclip it. Y'all know how this goes. And then clip it on my head, like so, like that. Boom. And I'm gonna do that with the other pieces. Should we do like a side part? I feel like that would be like real, like, you know, extra. And I'm like really stepping out of my comfort zone this year. God told me that this year was gonna be about change. So I took that and ran with it. So yeah. Finally cut my toxic ex off. So that was really nice. I feel like free. I guess free. Yeah. One day I might get into that, but not right now. Not right now. So I'm gonna just show y'all like what I'm doing. It's a very, very like, I don't want to say sensitive. It is sensitive. It's like, it's a very sensitive topic for me. So maybe one day I'm gonna feel comfortable. Maybe we'll do like a get ready with me, drink a virgin pina colada, and talk about it. But until that day, we moving on. We moving on. And I don't mean by like moving on by like talking to other people. Like, no, like moving on and investing in my relationship with God, because the miracles that he has done for me, and like, whoa there. She does shed. She's synthetic. So don't be expecting much. But the miracles that he has done for me, in just like, not even a month. Like, it's literally been a week. Like, I went from 100 followers on TikTok to dang near 700. Only God can do that overnight. And that happened in like 3 days. It wasn't like 3 days. Like, I went from 15 subscribers to 100. And that may not seem like a lot for a lot of y'all, but for me it's something. Because I've been talking to nobody, and now I'm actually talking to somebody. So I'm gonna just turn around so y'all can see me do this. But yeah, it's been, so far, 2023 has been a year for me. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm like, I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, I do want to do a side part. I'm like sweating so bad right now. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through.
Alright, so this could also just be like my overly Disney fanatic self coming out. But do y'all remember Cruella? And when she went to that party, this is giving Cruella. This is like not saying like it's not bad, but it's, I don't know why that just reminded me of that. I'm sorry, I'm childish. That just that was funny to me. It gives Cruella to me. Alright, and then we gonna put this one. I need to stop balling these up like they're not, like this isn't horse. Like it's not horse and it don't tangle. I mean, I feel like all hair tangle, my natural hair tangle, but okay. That just like completely slid out of my hair.
Tired, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like, though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till
She's slipping. It's okay. It's okay. We still vibing with it.
You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass. All
Okay, it's actually not that bad. Let me do some edges. I think I have finessed this. Okay, I think I have finessed this. Okay, let me cut this light back on. I wonder if I could curl this, or if it's gonna catch on fire. Let's see. Oh, nope. Don't curl that. Maybe I should turn it down some. Is it curling? Maybe I should just leave it alone. Curl that place though. Alright y'all, so this is, let me get this light back on. I'm pretty sure my light just overheated, so we're gonna hurry up and close this out. So this is the final look, y'all. I don't think it's terrible. It's not terrible to me, but yeah, this is the final look. So if y'all like this look, and let me know down in the comments if y'all like hearing me talk, or if y'all just like, you know, the tunes in the background. But yeah, this is the final look. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because like I said, we lit over here. So I'm gonna see y'all next time, and bye y'all.